What up, people? Thank you for coming back to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing with you my income report for Aliexpress dropshipping May 2019. Okay, so as always, before we start, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos about dropshipping on eBay, eBay UK, ebay.com, and turn on the bell notification so we will know when I post a new video. Okay, so this month, just before we start, this month it was around what I was expecting. Okay, I'm still really happy with it. It's like, let's say, a brand new account that this is the first full month, and I'm happy with the results because it gives me the idea what is the potential of doing that. This was like more an experiment to go ahead and push this account in the first month as further as possible. We didn't give that push as we could, but still I'm happy with the results, and I already started to building more accounts for the same model, dropshipping from Aliexpress to eBay.com. So without further ado, let's go straight to my income report. Okay guys, so this is the sales. Okay, as you can see, nothing fake, everything is real. So this is the sales from May 1st to the end of the month. So it was around 4,125 in sales. Okay, it's not a lot. Okay, and the good thing in Aliexpress dropshipping that you don't need to sell a lot to make enough money. Okay, so for that, let's go straight to my spreadsheet of the profits. Okay guys, so let me show you exactly how much we made this month in this account. So let's just take this column. You see that everything here is legit. There were some like cases like here and there that we lost a bit of money, and that because of shipping shipping to like strange countries, and it's more complicated. Okay, that sometimes the prices changes, things like that. But again, we here for the long term, and I rather to lose a bit and then cancel an order. So let's take the gross profit column. So the net profit, the front end profit that we made with this account is 811.21 US dollars on the front end. Okay, and don't forget that we have cashback 7% on every single purchase that you make from Giving Assistant. I'm using Giving Assistant as my cashback supplier for Aliexpress. So let's take here this column, that this is the amount that I paid on Aliexpress. So that is total of 2,660. Okay, so let's do a quick calculation. So 2,660.31 times 0.07 equals, so we made on the back end, we made 186 US dollars, and let's add the 811. So that is around, again, I was expecting something like that, so it is around $1,000 in net profit to our pocket after all fees, eBay fees, PayPal fees, all those stuff. So that is really good for the first month. Okay guys, so there you have it. This is the income report we made with the cashback. We made $1,000 in this account. That this is the first full month in this account doing that, and because I see the potential, you see that I only sold like 4,000 US dollars in this account, and I made 1,000. So for me, it tells me that the risk for selling 4,000 US dollars in sales, it's not a lot, and the risk is lower according to eBay, like MC011, things like that. So making $1,000, like for example, you can sell 10,000, that it's not a lot for sales, 10,000, and make like 2 to 3 grand in net profit. Why not? And it's way easier to manage like multiple accounts doing that, dropshipping from Aliexpress. So if you are interested about more information, how I'm doing product research and how to create shipping policy, things like that, if you want to see more info about dropshipping from Aliexpress to eBay, please leave that in the comment section below. I hope that this is motivating you, because, and I'm doing that not to brag that I'm making that profit, because I have multiple stores and I'm making enough, but I want to show you that it's not that hard. It's the first full month, in the store that and we made $1,000 really quickly. So I want to show you that to make 1,000, 2,000, it's not that hard. It's quite of easy, and eBay is really good start if you're only starting dropshipping and e-commerce in generally. So I hope that helps you, motivates you, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out any of my new upcoming videos. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.